good morning 6th standard. So I welcome you all for this new session. In today's class we are going to see lesson 2. Okay, so lesson 2, leçon de comptons ensemble. Please repeat the topic. Comptons ensemble. Comptons ensemble. So before we start the lesson, as usual, we have to go and see the vocabularies. So take the vocabulary page. If you don't know the page number, just follow. Here's the vocabulary page, that is page number 31. Page number 31. So let us repeat together. Okay, so after finishing these vocabularies, we will go to the lesson content. Okay, so shall we start? Yeah. Okay, so please learn well along with me. Why? Because today's online test will be based on vocabulary and numbers of lesson 2. Okay, so let's discuss together. Apprenons. Apprenons. Let us learn. Let us learn. Des bois. Des bois. Woods. Des bois. Please repeat. Des bois. In this word you should not repeat the yes. Okay, you have to stop with I. Des bois. That means woods. Un ballon. Un ballon. Usually in English, a ballon means balloon, right? But in French, un ballon means ball. So please repeat. Un ballon. Ball. Des séries. Des séries. Des séries. Des séries. Please repeat. Des séries. That means cherries. Okay. Chanter. Chanter. Chanter means to sing. So if you want to say I want to sing, you must know this word. Okay. Chanter. Please repeat. Chanter. Chantons. Chantons. Chantons means let us sing. Chantons. So this word comes from the word chanter. If we conjugate this verb, we will get this word. Okay, so that is, this is chanter and this is chanton. Please repeat. Chanton. Chanton means let us sing. Un chapeau. Un chapeau. Chapeau means hat. Imagine you have a hat, you must know the name, right? So you should say j'ai un chapeau. That means I have an hat. Un chapeau. Hat. Une classe. Une classe. Une classe. Une classe means classroom. Okay, une classe means classroom. Compter. Compter. This verb is very useful. Why? Because today we are learning numbers. So compter means count. Why do we learn numbers? We learn numbers to use it. So how do we use numbers? We use numbers to count, right? Count. So compter. Compter is a verb which is related to numbers. So whatever the vocabularies which we see here is related to numbers. Comptons. Comptons. See, as we already saw here, chanter, chantons. The same way, compter is the verb and comptons is the conjugation of compter verb. You guys don't know conjugation, right? Yeah, we will slowly see that. But we will just learn the vocabularies now and I will tell you what is conjugation slowly. Okay, so compter is to count. Comptons, let us count. That means we are going to count together. Comptons ensemble. comptons ensemble. Let us count together. So this is the topic of this particular lesson. Yes. So comptons ensemble means let us count together. That is the meaning of comptons ensemble. Cuire. Cuire. This double L is silent. Cuire is to pluck. Cuire. Please repeat. Cuire. To pluck. Dans. Please repeat. Dans. S is silent. Dans. Dans means in. Dans means in. This is a preposition. Okay. In case if you have a pencil, put a in a bracket P. That means preposition. If you have a pencil, put a V here. V means verb. So slowly I will tell you how to use pencil in the book. Okay. So as we learn vocabulary, if we mark there itself verb, preposition, we will be able to segregate slowly the verb, nouns. Okay. So that will be easy for you to understand. So if you have a pencil, mark verb here and mark preposition here. Okay. So nouns, no need to write nouns. Okay. So mostly it will contain 80% of nouns and 20% of preposition or 10% of verbs. Okay. So let's proceed. And disc. And disc. And disc is what? A disc CD which we used to put in the computer. No, that is called as and disc. Normally in English we will say I have a CD with me, but in French you have to say I have a j'ai un disque. You have to say j'ai un disque. That means I have a disc. Ensemble. So these words we have already seen. Comptons ensemble here. That is given as separate. Ensemble, together. Une fleur. Une fleur. So R is a half beat. The ending letter is half beat. Fleur, fleur. Une fleur. That means flower. Un garçon. Un garçon. Un garçon means boy. Un garçon. And livre. Do you remember this one? Already we have seen this word in the lesson 1 vocabulary. Garçon, fille. Already you have done this in the midterm. Yeah. So, and garçon. Garçon. So today I will tell you what is this symbol. Say Sidil. Down the S there is a small comma, right? I will tell you what are these things used for. And livre. And livre. Livre means book. Neuf. 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 See, this word has two meanings. So you write a slash here. See, new is one meaning and put a slash and write number 9 here. Yeah, write number 9 here. So this word has two meaning. One is new, another one is 9. Okay, number 9. Okay. Okay. So we'll go for the next word. Un panier. Un panier. Un panier. Panier. Un panier is nothing but a basket. Un panier. Basket. Une poste. In poste. Why I am pronouncing the T is because the word is ending with a vowel. So whenever it ends with the E, we have to pronounce the last before letter. In poste. I am stressing the T. In poste. That means post office. Un stylo. Un stylo. This is a very easy one and most of you might be knowing. Un stylo is nothing but a pen. Okay. Une tasse. Une tasse. Une tasse. And tas is nothing but a cup. In tomato. In tomato. Tomato. So this is more or less the same spelling, only the ending letter will change. In French it is tomate and in English it is tomato. So hope we are done with the vocabularies now of lesson 2. Yes, so this is what it is. Now we are going to learn numbers. Okay, so let's continue with numbers in the same page. So first 10 numbers I'll finish it fast, and then 11 to 20 we will do slowly. So 0. See, this one I have not given you while I was giving the notes. 0, the same spelling, only the E accent will be new. Accent aigu. Okay, accent aigu. This accent is called as accent aigu. 0. So this E will have the sound of ye in English. Z, ye. So okay, 0. So the number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 0 to 10 already we have finished and we have revised, and we had a fun game also, right? I'll show you the fingers and you will find it right. So this one I know you guys have done an extraordinary job, so let us not discuss on this today. Only one time we will practice again. Okay, this is called as les nombres cardinaux. I want to tell you this, the title of this numbers, it's called as les nombres cardinaux. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of cardinal? The cardinaux, the meaning is, there are 3 meaning. Cardinal noun form, it is cardinal, essential or principal. Sir, what is this cardinal, essential or principal? That means very important numbers we can say, or very essential numbers we can say, or the main numbers. Okay, so there are numbers in French, and that is called as les nombres cardinaux. Please repeat, les nombres cardinaux. Les nombres cardinaux. Okay, so you can start saying les nombres cardinaux, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so please repeat the title once again, les nombres cardinaux. Les nombres cardinaux. Should I pronounce the X? No, so I have to stop with U here. Les nombres I have to stop with E here. Les I can stop with S. Les nombres cardinaux. We'll revise once and we will continue. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think I have a song related to these numbers. I'll search for it. In case if it is available, I'll try to play that for you. Not today, but in the next session. Okay, so let's have some good time in numbers. Okay, so we'll have a lot of time. We'll finish it fast. Okay, let's learn from 11 to 20. Okay, so today we will finish with 11 to 20, and then if possible we will see one more page. 11. Please repeat, 11. I'll tell you a trick here. See this 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 numbers will end with this sound, z, z. 11. Why? Because since it is ending with E, we have to give this Z a long stretch. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See, a lot of fun, no? That's what I said. So we'll learn first and then we'll have fun. Okay, so let's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Once again, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14, that should be 14. Okay, 15, 15, 16. Okay, so this is like in Tamil you will learn, no, piritezhuduga. They will say, no, they will separate and they will learn and then they will attach it together. Like that you can do here. So 11 plus ZT 11, 12 plus ZT 12, 13 plus ZT 13, 14 plus ZT 14, 15 plus ZT 15, 16 plus ZT 16. So like that if you do, you will have a good memory power. Okay, so in that way you can remember this for a longer time. Okay, so we'll repeat once again and then we'll go for 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 11, 11, 12, 12. See, O plus N, 11, D plus O, do, do plus U, du, 12, T plus R, tre, tre. When it is joining with I, trai, 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 treize. Q plus A, so since this both are vowel, qua, qua, so that will become quatorze. Since it is joining with Q, ca, ca, quatorze, quinze, seize. This 17, 18 and 19 is very easy. See, you already know this. So 10 is these and 7 is Seth. So 10 plus 7, the Seth. Very nice, no? The Seth. So when we say this, no, we should not pronounce the X. We should not dikes and Seth. We should not say like that. We should say only di. The Seth. The Seth. But here we have to join. Why? Because the H is a vowel. So we have to join the H. Here both are consonants, so that's why I am not joining. But this is called as liaison. This is called as liaison. These wheat, these wheat, these nerve, this nerve, where. So hope this is understood. So I'll repeat once again. So no need to repeat on these things because already you know these numbers. These set, these wheat, these nerve, van. So in this van, this G and T will not be pronounced. Instead, we will pronounce only V-I-N. V-E-V-N, van. Okay, G and T silent. Okay. In case if you have a pencil, just put a cross mark in G and T. So that will become van. Okay. So let's repeat from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please repeat once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now I'll give you a small task. Okay, so already you know 1 to 10, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll tell 10. Okay, these plus through. You have to say what the answer is. For example, 10 plus 3 equal 10 plus 3. What is the answer? 13. The answer is 13. You have to tell the answer in French. Okay. Now once again we'll go 6 plus 6. For example, 6 plus 6. What is the answer in French? You know the answer in English, I know very well, but in French you have to say. This is the answer. What is the pronunciation for this? Z, you know, D plus O plus U, do, douze. So like this you can practice, okay? So we'll do one more thing, okay? Neuf plus neuf. Neuf plus neuf is what? 18. So 18 in French, these wheat, this wheat. Like this you can learn, okay? So that is the exercise based on this. I will show you the exercise and you take that as a homework. So here is the exercise. This is exercise number 1. We have 10 numbers, okay? So in this exercise, if you just note down, see, we have to substitute the numbers with words. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, right? So 2 is the, plus is plus, 3. The plus 3 égal. Égal I said, no? Égal means equal. Égal 5. So like that, here is 1. 1 you have to write 1. 1 plus 5 égal 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. In case if you get confused, first you add it. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Now you substitute the words 1 plus 5 égal 6. Now this one is very interesting. 2 plus dash equal to 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So you can write 7 here. The plus 7 égal 9. Okay, nice, no? Like this you can do. It's an interesting task, and this will be very useful for you. So the plus 7 égal 9. Now 4 plus 6 égal dash. You tell me the answer. I'll give you 3 options. 9, 10, 11. Now I will tell you in French. 4 plus 6 égal 9, 10, 11. What answer do you choose? I choose 11. Is it correct? No, wrong. Okay. So what answer you guessed? Okay, I'll tell the right answer. Please check. 4 plus 6 égal these. These is 10. Okay, these. So like this you can do. I'll do one more and you do the last 4. Okay. Dash plus 7 égal 12. So 12, 7. So 12 minus 7 equal to 5. So 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So now I have to write the answer. 5 plus 7 égal 12. So now they have finished what? Addition. Now multiplication. Multiplication is 2 fois 2 égale 4. So we can say 2 fois 2 or 2 multiple 2 we can say, but we'll go with the book, okay? Whatever they have followed, we will go with this. So in case if it is multiple symbol, you have to write fois, F-O-I. Yes, but when you pronounce, you have to pronounce only F-O-I. 2 fois 2 égale 4. 3 fois 3 égale 9. Dash fois 3 égale 12. So you have to find what number it is. So I want you to do 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So this is one interesting topic and you can learn numbers with this. At the same time you are learning addition, multiplication. All these are very simple things that you would have done it in primary section. So that one is very nice. So let's see. Écrivez les chiffres lettres. Okay, this also you can do. This is nothing but counting. Okay, how many balls are there? So you write the number. Okay, so include the ball which is in his hand also. 1 2 3. So throw a ballon. Now série, combien de série, and the try to count in French. Okay, and 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I have counted and I finished 2. Okay, now we have to do 1 2 3 4. So fleur is count the fleur. Okay, and tomate, count the tomate, and chapeau, just count the chapeau. Okay, and stylo, count the stylo and write how many numbers are there in the dash which is given there. Okay, and that is one example. So whatever we see is related to numbers. Okay, compléter ces séries en écrivant les nombres. Okay, so this is right. This is also related to numbers. Okay, so compléter avec les chiffres en utilisant les autocollants. This stickers are available if you have the new book. If it is SAS, you have to stick number 16 which is given in the back side of your book, and you have to stick it here. So all these kind of activities are fun activities. Okay, so don't take this as learning, take this as fun activities. Okay, you have to learn through fun. Okay, so that is the objective here. Numbers is not, there is nothing to memorize in this, just you have to apply. Okay, so this also, see, this is even series and this is odd series. I'll read the question and you have to just compléter ces séries en écrivant les nombres en lettres. So since you are beginners, it's nothing important that you have to understand the total heading. Okay, seeing the numbers itself you have some guess, but try to read this. Compléter ces séries en écrivant les nombres en lettres. So there is a series of numbers, so you have to write the numbers in the letter. So what series it is? 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. So that is even series and this is odd series. And after trois is odd series is what? 1 3 5. So 5 7 9 9 11 13 15 17 19. So like this, write the even series and odd series, and from your backside of your book you try to do the sticker work. Okay, les autocollants is nothing but the stickers. Compléter avec les chiffres en utilisant les autocollants. There is complete the numbers, that is the digits. Avec les chiffres is nothing but the digits. Okay, chiffre means digits. En utilisant les autocollants, so complete with numbers using the stickers which is given at the back side of your book. So seeing the numbers you can stick it. So this is one more number activity, that is Ilya dash cravat dash ibu dash mush. So this we will do later. Okay, no need to do all the things in one go. Since these things are very easy one, I am just giving you. Okay, so these things should be practiced immediately. That is what the important is. Okay, so these things should be practiced immediately. That's how you will remember the numbers. So that's why I am giving these kind of activities. Other activities which is left out we will do slowly. So I think this is enough for today's class, and in upcoming class what we are going to see is the accent. Okay, so already we have finished this ABC and everything. In case if you want, these are the pronunciation in French itself. What I have given already is a English pronunciation, but here it is French pronunciation. So I will teach this once again to make you comfortable in the pronunciation and to practice. And next class I will tell you the accent. Okay, O accent aigu, A accent grave. So these things are should be done in the upcoming class. Okay, so in today's class I am just going to ask these numbers. Okay, numbers, les nombres cardinaux 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this thing, and this page. Learn only this page. Okay, so for today's test, learn only this page and learn from 11 to 20, very important. Okay, 11 to 20 is very important, and this page you learn. Okay, so the upcoming class I will tell you what we have to do. So in today's class we have finished the vocabulary, and I have given you exercise number 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6 you have to do the homework. Okay, it's a very easy homework. If you sit, you can just finish in 10 minutes. I know each page will take just 10 minutes. I mean totally 10 minutes is enough. So you can do this in 2 minutes. This page 2 minutes, and this page it will take just 2 minutes. So this one you have to stick from the back. So I think you will do it in a great way. So please do it well, and please do not forget to revise this for the online test. Okay, so we have finished lesson 2 vocabulary today, and next upcoming class I'll bring you some songs or some interesting things if possible, and let's hope for the best. And we'll start correcting your papers, and I'll tell you what's the feedback very soon. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day, God bless you all.